Welcome back to Body Make and Health Management. Today, we're cutting through the noise and talking about real, powerful, muscle-building foods. No hype, just results. These underrated grocery store staples can transform your gains, recovery, and overall health. Let's dive in and fuel your progress the smart way. Chapter 1. Nature's perfect protein. First up, the humble egg. Nature's perfect protein. Eggs are affordable, versatile, and packed with all 9 essential amino acids, especially leucine, which triggers muscle growth. Don't skip the yolk. It's loaded with vitamins D, B12, choline, and healthy fats for hormone support. A 3-egg omelet with spinach and cheese? That's a powerhouse post-workout meal. Eggs support muscle repair, recovery, and overall health. Make them a staple in your routine. Simple, effective, and proven. Respect the egg. Chapter 2. Cottage cheese. Casein-rich recovery fuel. Next up, let's talk about cottage cheese. An underrated powerhouse when it comes to overnight muscle recovery. While it might seem simple, this humble dairy product is actually a secret weapon for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone looking to maximize their recovery while they sleep. What makes cottage cheese so special? It's packed with casein, a slow-digesting protein that gradually releases amino acids into your bloodstream over several hours. This means your muscles get a steady supply of nutrients all night long, helping to repair and build muscle tissue while you rest. Eating cottage cheese before bed can help prevent muscle breakdown and support growth, making it a perfect nighttime snack. Just 1 cup of cottage cheese delivers about 25 grams of high-quality protein, with very little fat and carbohydrates, making it ideal for those watching their macros or aiming for lean muscle gains. Plus, it's loaded with calcium, which is essential for bone health and muscle function. If you're not a fan of the texture or taste, don't worry. There are plenty of ways to make it delicious. Try mixing in fresh berries for natural sweetness, or add a scoop of your favorite protein powder for an extra boost. You can even sprinkle on some nuts or seeds for crunch and healthy fats, turning it into a satisfying, muscle-friendly dessert. By making cottage cheese part of your nightly routine, you're giving your body the tools it needs to recover, rebuild, and wake up stronger. Don't overlook this classic staple. It's a simple, effective, and delicious way to support your recovery and muscle growth, all while you sleep. Chapter 3. Lentils. The plant-based powerhouse. Lentils. Tiny, plant-based powerhouses for everyone. 1 cup packs 18 grams of protein, complex carbs for steady energy, and loads of fiber for gut health and satiety. They're rich in iron and magnesium, supporting endurance and muscle function. Lentils are cheap, versatile, and absorb any flavor. Think soups, salads, or mixed with rice. Perfect for plant-based athletes or anyone wanting variety. Add lentils to your routine for a nutrient boost. Don't underestimate these little giants. Chapter 4. Greek yogurt. Probiotic gains. Greek yogurt. Thick, creamy, and packed with protein. This isn't just any yogurt. It's strained to perfection, giving it that signature velvety texture and a rich, tangy flavor that stands out from the rest. Whether you enjoy it plain or with a drizzle of honey, Greek yogurt is a versatile staple that fits into almost any meal plan. Each serving delivers 15-20 grams of both fast and slow-digesting protein, making it perfect any time of day. The combination of whey and casein proteins means you get a quick boost for muscle repair, plus sustained nourishment to keep you feeling full longer. It's a smart choice for breakfast, a midday snack, or even a post-workout refuel. The real bonus? Probiotics for gut health, which means better nutrient absorption and a stronger immune system. These live cultures help balance your digestive system, support regularity, and may even improve your mood and energy levels. A healthy gut is the foundation for overall wellness, and Greek yogurt makes it easy to nourish your microbiome every day. Top it with berries, chia seeds, or honey for a powerful snack. Add nuts or granola for crunch, or swirl in a spoonful of nut butter for extra flavor and healthy fats. The possibilities are endless, making Greek yogurt a delicious canvas for your favorite toppings and superfoods. Greek yogurt supports muscle growth, recovery, and digestion. Its high protein content helps repair and build lean muscle, while the probiotics aid in breaking down nutrients so your body can use them efficiently. It's a go-to snack for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone looking to stay healthy and energized. Make it a regular part of your diet. Keep a few containers in your fridge for quick meals, or add it to smoothies, dressings, and even baked goods for a protein boost. Greek yogurt is convenient, affordable, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Your gut and your gains will thank you. With every spoonful, you're fueling your body, supporting your digestive health, and making progress toward your fitness goals. Greek yogurt truly is a powerhouse food for a healthier, stronger you. Chapter 5. Potatoes. The most underrated carb. Let's talk carbs, specifically potatoes. Both sweet and white potatoes are top-tier sources of complex carbs, fueling your workouts and speeding recovery. They're loaded with potassium for muscle function and vitamin C for immune support. Sweet potatoes bring vitamin A. White potatoes offer resistant starch for gut health. Rotate both for maximum benefit. A simple meal: grilled chicken, baked potato, and broccoli. Muscle-building perfection. Stop fearing carbs. Use them to power your progress. Embrace the potato. There you have it. Eggs, cottage cheese, lentils, Greek yogurt, and potatoes. These simple, wholesome foods are more than just ingredients. They're the building blocks of a stronger, healthier you. Each one is packed with nutrients that support muscle growth, recovery, and overall well-being. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, or just someone looking to feel better every day, these foods can make a real difference in your journey. These aren't secrets. They're the foundation of real results. Forget the fads and complicated diets. Real progress starts with real food. When you focus on quality ingredients, you give your body the fuel it needs to perform, recover, and thrive. It's not about perfection, but about making better choices, one meal at a time. Start by adding 1 or 2 of these foods to your meals this week. Notice how your energy levels improve, how you recover faster after workouts, and how you feel more satisfied throughout the day. Small changes can lead to big results over time, and the best part is, you're in control of your progress. Consistency in the kitchen builds strength, just like consistency in the gym. Every meal you prepare, every healthy choice you make, adds up. It's about creating habits that support your goals, both inside and outside the gym. Remember, the effort you put in today lays the foundation for tomorrow's success. If you found this helpful, share and subscribe for more practical tips from Body Make and Health Management. We're here to support you with simple, actionable advice that fits into your real life. Join our community and take the next step toward your healthiest self. Go fuel your growth. See you next time. Remember, every small step counts, and your journey to better health starts with the choices you make today. Thanks for watching until the end.